สวัสดีค่ะวันนี้จะมาทำไก่สเต็กกันนะคะ Hi everyone, today I'm gonna make some chicken satay. I've got 1 kilo pack of chicken breast, so I'm gonna slice it up. ก็ซื้อไก่มาแพ็คหนึ่งไก่นี่กิโลหนึ่งนะคะอยู่ในแพ็คนี่นะมันเขียนว่ากิโลหนึ่งก็จะเอามาสไลด์เองหมักกับผงไก่นะคะ You can buy the chicken breast or they slice it up for you, but I buy this package called chicken breast and I slice it up myself. It's easy. Whatever I'm not finished cooking or the chicken breast, I can keep that for next meal. Just take a look. I'm gonna slice it up for you. Okay, then I start slicing up. See, not too big, not too small, not too thick. Just enough that side. If too small, it's not nice when you put under the grill. They go smaller. You just make like maybe about whatever you happy, 2 centimeter or 3 centimeter. ก็หั่นพอประมาณนะคะก็ไม่ชิ้นใหญ่มากไม่ชิ้นเล็กมากนะคะก็ไปหมักกับผงไก่ถ้าชิ้นเล็กมากถ้าเอาไปย่างแล้วมันจะหดมันจะเหี่ยวมันก็อาจจะแห้งไปมันก็จะไม่อร่อยนะคะก็เดี๋ยวมาดูกันค่ะเสร็จแล้วค่ะหั่นไก่เสร็จแล้วค่ะเดี๋ยวมาหมักไก่กันนะคะ Chicken satay seasoning powder mix I'm gonna use this powder to marinate chicken เดี๋ยวมาดูกันนะคะแล้วก็จะใช้ผงนี่แหละของหมักไก่นี่แหละของกระเจี๊ยบนี่ค่ะมาหมักไก่ที่ได้หั่นได้นะคะก็จะมีประมาณนี้ค่ะmix นี่ค่ะจะโชว์ให้ดูนะคะเนี่ยผงหมักไก่ค่ะผงสเต๊ะThis is satay seasoning mix powder. Then I got a marinate in chicken for you. Well, on the back they got tell you recipe how to do, how to cook, because they got English writing as well. Because it'll be easy for you. This is seasoning powder you can get from Thai supermarket, Thai superstore. Google search in your local Thai supermarket. You will find this is seasoning easy. So I don't think so. Any normal supermarket in European don't have that. Got to be Thai superstore only to get this seasoning powder for you. This is satay seasoning mix. Okay. I gotta put this powder mix on my marinade in my chicken. Okay. I gotta. In that packet they have seasoning powder mix and some satay sauce in the packet they say you need coconut milk to be marinate in a powder and coconut milk to make the satay sauce. It's easy, simple on the back. See, I show you what because they got English for you. You need a Thai vinegar to make like a cucumber salad. You see in the packet show you the cucumber salad bowl in the pack on top of the packet. You need the Thai vinegar to make Thai cucumber salad. We call vinegar salad. โอเคแล้วก็ take a look เดี๋ยวมาดูกันนะคะคนไทยก็คงเข้าใจหรอกว่าทำไก่สเต๊ะง่ายๆนะคะเดี๋ยวมาหมักไก่กันค่ะ Okay, I gotta marinate my chicken satay now. I gotta open the packet. In the packet they have two straws. One for powder, marinade powder, one for satay sauce. They tell you A or B packet in there. And I think so A is a marinade chicken, B that's a satay sauce. Cool. But, they tell you anyhow it's in the on the back. It's English writing as well. It's easy for you to understand. Okay. Because they say one packet for half a kilo chicken, but I got 1 kilo of chicken, but I have to use 2 packets. Okay, have a take a look. เดี๋ยวมาดูกันค่ะเดี๋ยวก็จะหมักไก่นะคะก็ไก่นี่ก็หั่นเสร็จเรียบร้อยแล้วก็จะประมาณกิโลนึงเพราะว่าซองนึงเขาบอกครึ่งกิโลพอดีหั่นไก่หมดนี่มันกิโลนึงก็เลยต้องใช้ผงหมักไก่2ซอง A หมักไก่ซอง B ซอสค่ะง่ายๆเมืองนอกก็อย่างนี้แหละก็ต้องใช้แบบนี้เพราะว่าเมืองไทยเราก็ไม่ต้องไปทำให้ยุ่งยากหรอกก็ไปซื้อที่ตลาดไปตลาดก็ได้กินแล้วค่ะเขาย่างไว้ทำไว้เรียบร้อยแต่เมืองนอกมันก็ต้องทำกินเอง I just say in Thailand easy you just go to the local market you can buy the chicken satay but in European or whatever we here we need to make ourselves if you not make ourselves we can't get it so I marinated the powder 1 kilo powder 2 packet with the powder satay seasoning mix and put in there then after that then you have to add coconut milk as well so, okay that's the powder chicken 1 kilo 2 pack of the satay seasoning mix so in the packet they say you can use coconut milk or you don't like coconut milk to marinate together you can use milk well same again coconut milk there's a Thai coconut milk you can get Thai superstore when you buy the seasoning powder you can buy some coconut milk as well because it's in anything you want today when you read in the back same Thai vinegar you get that in Thai supermarket as well that's 1 kilo chicken 2 pack of satay seasoning mix then add some coconut milk 1 packet half a kilo chicken 1 packet of satay seasoning they say add some 180 ml for coconut milk but I 1 kilo of chicken at the moment I use 2 pack of the satay seasoning mix then I gotta use 360 ml for coconut milk to marinate my chicken satay okayนะคะไก่กิโลนึงก็พาวเดอร์มิกนี่2ซองแล้วก็มะพร้าว360 ml นะคะใส่ไปแล้วก็หมักไว้โอเคค่ะแล้วก็เติมนี่ก็ทั้งหมดใช้กะทิ360 ml นะคะ360 ml of coconut milk like I say if you don't like coconut milk you can use normal milk whatever skim milk or any full fat milk you can use marinade instead of the coconut if you think so it's too much for you when you marinate you can put on freezer tube. Then you can keep half in the freezer. You don't have to keep and then slide the chicken or marinate that. Put on a freezer bag or freezer tube. You can put half in the freezer, but next time you want to make some satay, and you just default it or put in the oven, put under the grill. You can use a grill or you can use oven to cook chicken satay. It's 25 minutes in oven. Make sure you keep check and turn. See, at least in the marinate, you got to keep it for 2 hours before you cook and before you grill. Okay. Then I'm gonna marinate my chicken, and after that I'm gonna show you how to make the sauce or cucumber salad or Thai vinegar salad. Okay, this one I show you the beginning because A, the seasoning powder, B, the satay sauce, and show you how to make a satay sauce now. Because of this time we wait for marinate chicken. Anyway, we're not gonna grill chicken. We at least we marinate for 2 hours to everything's mixed inside the chicken. So in the packet they say A, seasoning powder, B, satay sauce. See, like in the packet, the vinegar salad. You gotta add some cucumber and carrot. We call cucumber salad in the packet. Say, see the picture? It's quite like handy. This one they tell you what step by step what to do, in English writing as well, not just Thai, but easy for European people to understanding to make Thai chicken satay. Okay, it wasn't that difficult for you, to be honest. Okay, let's start it. Even sometimes, in the packet, Thai packet, they don't have English writing, but this the name of logo is quite handy and good for you. The explain and English writing good, easy for you to understand reading. You don't need to be with translation. Okay, let's start that. B, that satay powder, you put in the pot, and you can make all of it. If you're not finished, you can put, like I said, and take freezer tube, and you can put in the freezer. Next time you want to eat with your next satay, you just put in microwave, heat it. Okay.โอเคค่ะก็เอาแพ็กเกจใส่หม้อแล้วเดี๋ยวก็เติมกะทิทีหลังนะคะ Okay, that is a chicken satay sauce. I'll have 2 packets. Then put in the pot. Then I'm gonna add some coconut afterward because you can cook all of it. Like I said, leave in the freezer. Next time you just microwave it. Add some 360 ml coconut milk. Don't turn the heating on yet. Make sure you add everything, then you mix very well together first before you turn the gas on. If not, they got lumpy. You don't like that, don't you? Because when they cook, they're gonna be like a bit thick sauce. That's it. You add everything, mix powder, coconut milk, then you mix very well. Don't turn the heating until you mix well. You see that mix all together, just mix really well. Then you can, after the mix very well, then you can turn the gas on. Don't put too high heat because it's gotta be low to medium. If not, they go like a boiler. You don't like boiler, you call simmer. If not, they come in like they do like that. It's not nice. For me, I'll put a low heat. Just let them cook themselves. Okay. So you turn the gas on now. Okay. Just make sure low heat. Okay. You got คนให้เข้ากันก่อนนะคะเพราะว่าพาวเดอร์มันก็จะเป็นอย่างนี้แหละค่ะคนเข้าไปให้มันคนไม่เข้ากันแล้วก็ค่อยเปิดแก๊สก็ไม่แรงนะคะไฟอ่อนก็ได้ไม่อ่อนมากก็คือไฟอ่อนนะคือรอให้มันคุกอะไรอย่างนั้นให้มันคุกของตัวมันเองอะนะมันก็จะร้อนมันเองพอมันร้อนพอมันสุกมันก็จะข้นขึ้นนะคะ Make sure you put the low heat because let them cook themselves because when they cooking when they start hot then the salt getting thick because you make sure you keep stirring not like thick on the bottom okay see keep stirring stir if not the salt getting thick getting hot when the salt getting hot and thick and they got to stick on your bottom pan you don't like it don't you when it's burning and it make it bitter so add some 3 tablespoon cooking oil any cooking oil vegetable oil but I use rice oils because of low cholesterol no fat in there see the rice oil is good for you when you cooking dinner because almost I use rice oil for cooking stir fry or anything for deep fry I use vegetable oil any like a deep fried chicken wing or anything I use vegetable oil but if I want stir fry or add some cooking I use rice oil okay won't be long then the salt start getting hot then they gotta get a bit thick between we wait for the salt don't forget remember you need to put low heat on the sauce between you wait for sauce to be heat up you gotta make a vinegar syrup we call vinegar syrup that's like to make a cucumber salad whatever you want you just add 6-8 tablespoon of Thai vinegar and don't turn the heat on until you put vinegar in and a sugar all together then you can turn the heat see that I measure with a tablespoon you can use 8 or 10 tablespoons depending on how you like it but I'll let you know the Thai vinegar salad is nice with eat with chicken satay on top with the satay sauce you love it just try it at home it's not difficult if you Google search the Thai supermarket you can get that packet like I said at the beginning see the sauce getting hot and you get it thick a bit thicker now not so thick because they tell you how to add coconut milk mixed with the powder and they hot themselves they heat themselves you just leave in the gas low heat or whatever heat the temperature low heat then the sauce when they cook they hot and they getting thicker don't have to be like standing there for but make sure you keep stirring as well big stir see the sauce coming thicker see it's not bubble it's just a little bit boiling because of low heat and the sauce getting a bit thicker and after you stir that when you look you happy and you just turn the gas off then make sure you keep stir between you turn the gas off as well even though the sauce stick in the bottom pot full pan okay That's Thai vinegar. I'm gonna show you how to make a vinegar salad. Okay. I got Thai vinegar about maybe 8 tablespoons. Then you get add like 5 tablespoons of sugar. There's a bit pinch of salt, maybe half a teaspoon of salt, and that's it. You mix all together and then you turn the heat down. Turn the gas on. The gas gotta be low heat, don't high heat, no even medium, gotta be low heat when you make a Thai vinegar salad. Okay. Let's simmer until the vinegar turn it hot. Okay, I got here cucumber, shallot, pepper. That's what we call cucumber salad. Don't forget, it's gotta be shallot, not onion. Whatever if you like white onion, you can use that. It's fine. That's cucumber, pepper, shallot in vinegar salad. The one we make it. We call cucumber salad with on the side with your chicken satay. So I'm gonna show you we cooking satay now. I put satay in the grill. That's the sauce all done. Satay sauce, the chicken's under the grill, in the grill for you. You see that chicken? I'm gonna close with coconut milk. Normally you brush with the coconut milk, but I lost my brusher is not good, but I have to use a spoon on top of the chicken. Put on top of the chicken to make it moist and juicy, and then you put back in the grill for like 3 to 5 minutes again, and turn over. Okay. When you turn over all of it, you put back in the grill at least maybe 5 minutes afterwards. That's it. It's not take long to be done. Okay. Wait to see after I finish. I'll be prepared up for you to how to look chicken satay. Okay. Put back in oven, fry maybe 3 to 5 minutes to be cooked outside. And I've got to plate out for you when I finish chicken satay. What's it look like? Look delicious, yummy. Okay, that's it done. My chicken satay sauce, cucumber salad. That's all now finished. So it look yummy, yummy, delicious. Thai chicken satay, okay?